Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Cooking on Recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're going to make peach cake. In a small sauce pot, melt the butter. Once melted, add the brown sugar and cinnamon. Mix well. Spray a 13-inch by 9-inch baking pan with cooking spray. Drain most of the peach syrup. Save 1 cup of peach syrup for cake mix. Arrange peaches evenly on the bottom of the baking dish. Next, pour butter mixture evenly over peaches. Meanwhile, make the cake batter according to box directions. Instead of water, use the 1 cup peach syrup, eggs, and olive oil. Mix well until smooth and pour the cake batter evenly over peaches, baked as directed and cool to room temperature. While cake is baking, make mascarpone whipped cream. In a large bowl, whip the cold heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla together with a handheld or electric mixer on medium-high speed. Whip just until the cream reaches medium peak. Add the mascarpone and whip until a firm peak. Once done, place in the refrigerator until the cake is cool and ready to serve. To serve, put desired amount of whipped cream on top of each piece of cake. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.